Good morning, Ascot Lions. Happy Monday to all. Hope you're having a great morning. Today being April 12th, and we are thinking about being mindful. And I certainly am mindful about the teachers that were with us Saturday for the training, learning about the 7 habits of successful people, Stephen Covey training. Actually, it was teacher assistants, clerical staff, everyone. I want to be mindful that today is Miss Diaz's birthday, one of our esteemed teachers. So happy birthday, Miss Diaz. And happy birthday, Rodner Gonzalez, fourth grader in Miss Garcia's class. And happy birthday, Miguel Altamirano, a kindergartner in Miss Hubbard's class, which is now being covered by Mr. Ramos. So happy birthday to all our birthday celebrants. And if I missed you last week, I will be catching up. And expect a nice birthday card and a book from me. Okay, so hopefully you get that book and you read it, and it becomes a home run experience for you. I'd like to remind everyone we will be starting our return to school next week. And I'd like to remind everyone to stay safe. Make sure you get your test, your COVID test, because you will not be admitted if you don't have your COVID test. So please get tested. Make sure you stay positive, but test negative. Okay, so we'll have a meeting with parents tomorrow to explain all the details of reopening. We're calling it a town hall. And we'll have an English meeting at 4 p.m. and a Spanish language meeting at 5 p.m. So please invite your parents, boys and girls. We'll have a nice, comfortable day today, a high of 71 and a low of 51. So start getting ready. I hear that there might be some rain later this week. Okay, I'd like to wish, I should say congratulate Ms. Bell's class for having the highest attendance for the month of March, and Ms. Acevedo was right there, also tied for having the highest attendance. So every student in that class, in those two classes, I should say, will be offered a pizza, large pizza, Little Caesars pizza for their family, for themselves, or a Starbucks card. So you can go get a hot chocolate or get a coffee for your parents. And of course, congratulations, Ms. Bell and Ms. Acevedo. You guys will get a $15 Starbucks card. And congratulations to our fourth grade students. Our fourth graders had the best attendance in the school. So keep showing up. Keep being present either on the computer, virtually, or next week, showing up in person with our hybrid program. Above all, stay safe and have a great day of learning. Oh, I almost forgot. Make sure that you sign up for the Student Voice Conference coming up on Earth Day, April 22nd. So some of our own students will be speaking, our Gavel Club students, our news crew will be putting together some sessions. So if you want to hear more from them about getting stronger, maybe you're interested in starting your business and helping your family, or even what Gavel Club is about, join us. It'll be a nice assembly at 2:30, starting at 2:30 next Thursday, April 22nd. So teachers, please make sure your students sign up. And I have emailed the flyer, and you can also find it on our website. All right, Lions out. Roar.